In a world where security is constantly threatened, we at AYRUS believe in providing exceptional security solutions for your well-being. Let us introduce our Smart Home Automation Kit. Our unique solution comes with smart sensors, a smart AI human tracking IP camera, smart doorbell, and a mobile app to control all your devices. This makes safety and security a priority. Our smart doorbell is AI integrated. It also has a built-in camera. This makes surveillance through your phone easier once connected to Wi-Fi. Our smart AI human tracking IP camera comes with built-in AI features that help prevent burglary and theft. It is also voice sensitive, so there are no blind spots in case of emergency. Our smart smoke detector is also AI integrated. In case of a fire, a notification is sent on your mobile app and first responders are notified. Our sensors also include a gas sensor, magnetic sensor, and infrared sensor. This reduces the risk of danger and emergency. AYRUS, global brand in advanced security solution.